Coming to question number 5th. Question number 5th. Check if 6 to power n can end with 0 for any natural number n. 6 to power n, is it ending with 0 or not? So we know that if any number ends with 0, it should be divisible by 10. So any number ending with 0 should be divisible by 10. So this number to end with 0 means it should be divisible by 10. Factors of 10 are, this is 2 and 5. So means this number should have the factors of 2 and 5 only when it will end with 0. So 6 to power n, this can be written as 2 into 3 to power n. We can write 6 to power n in the form of 2 into 3. 6 we have written 2 into 3 and n as it is. So 6 to power n is written as 2 into 3 to power n. Now see that for the factor of the 10, this is 2 and 5, and here the factors are 2 and 3. So this number will never end with 0 because here the factors are 2 and 3, here the factors are 2 and 5. So we will write, since the factor of 5 is missing, therefore 6 to power n will never end with 0. So this number will never end with 0 because it is not having the factors of 2 and 5. It is having a factors of 2 and 3. Here factor of 2 is present but factor 5 is absent. So it should have the factor of 5, then only it will end with 0. Now coming to question number 6th. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. We need to prove that whether it is a composite number or not. To prove any number as a composite number, we know that composite number is having factors other than 1 and itself. So we will need to find out whether this will be having other factors also, then only we can say that it is a composite number, otherwise not. So 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. We can take 13 as common because 13 is here, 13 is here. So taking 30 is a common, so this is 7 into 11 plus 1. So this is 13, 7 into 11 is 77 plus 1. So this is 13 into 78. So we can rewrite the 78 as 13 into, 78 can be written as 13 into 6. So here the factors are 13 and 6. So this number is having other factors also. They are 13 and 6. So this is a composite number. Therefore, the given expression or this expression is a composite number because it is having other factors also. Other factors are 13 and 6 other than 1 and itself. Now coming to the second part of the same question. We need to prove whether 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5, whether this number is a composite number or not. So we will take 5 as common from here. So this will be 5 times 7 into 6 into 4 because 5 is already there in the common, into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1 because 5 is common, so it will 1 itself now. So 5. Now we can multiply them. 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2. So on multiplying them, we get 1008 plus 1. Multiplying 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2, we get 1. This is 1008. So 5, on adding this one, we get this number. So this is 5 into 1009. So now again, here are the two factors. So this is a composite number because it is having two factors. Therefore, this is a composite number. Now coming to question number 7th. There is a circular path around the sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, whereas the Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose both start at the same point of the time. Now this is the circular park, suppose, and both of them are starting from the same point. One takes 12 minutes to complete and another takes 18 minutes to complete. So Ravi takes 12 minutes to complete and Sonia takes 18 minutes. Sonia takes 18 minutes to complete the same. Now we need to find out when they will meet again. So once they are moving in the same direction. So once they are moving in the same direction means minimum time would be the 12 minutes to complete. So 12 minutes to complete means before 12 minutes they cannot meet. They will start at this point. Ravi will take 12 minutes to complete this circle and Sonia will take 18 minutes. So naturally they both can never come again after 12 minutes. 12 minutes से पहले तो कभी आ ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि 12 मिनट्स तो क्या हमारा मिनिमम टाइम है यहाँ पे. रवि भी अगर कंप्लीट करेगा एक राउंड को 12 मिनट्स में, सोनिया 18 मिनट्स में, तो अभी ये कभी भी 12 मिनट्स में नहीं आ पाएंगे. मीन्स अभी हमारा जो भी टाइम टेकन होगा दैट विल बी मोर देन 12 मिनट्स ऑब्वियसली. सो मोर देन 12 मिनट्स के लिए मीन्स क्या हो गया, अभी हमें एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम ऑफ 12 and 18. So find out the LCM of 12 and 18. We can follow the factor method. So find out the factors of 12. So this will be 2 into 2 into 3. Find out the factors of 18. So factors of the 18 would be 2 into 3 into 3. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is 36. So after 36 minutes they will meet again. So after 36 minutes they will meet again. We will need to find out the LCM of both the timings, then only we can get this.